Hey guys, welcome back to another video from ChinaTech, and today we are checking out the i1000 TWS fake AirPods. Now these fake AirPods were actually sent to me by GearBest, so I'll have a link to these in the video description to the GearBest site where you can check these out. Just opening it up, you can see it looks like we have some paperwork on the top, and there you go, there are our AirPods. Looks like they've come in a cute little silicone case, but there we go. The AirPods inside, I'll grab them out. Just looking at the actual AirPods. Overall, not too bad. They do feel quite plasticky, I'm noticing. Definitely feeling quite plasticky, but on the whole, looking pretty solid. The actual build quality seems pretty decent. As usual, the join in between these two plastic parts is not perfect. You can definitely see the join there. But to be fair, I haven't seen a fake pair of AirPods without it, so I'm not too surprised. But on the whole, these look pretty solid. I'll just put those back in though, and just in the box, it looks like perfect. We have a little charging cord, a lightning cord as well. And then it looks like they've thrown in a little strap to stop yourself from losing the AirPods, and a cool little carabiner as well, which is very nice. So just putting all this to the side though, let's check out these actual AirPods. So I'll actually pull them out of the silicone case so we can get a better look. And here we are. So you can see it is an AirPods 2 clone. So we have that light up there. On the back, we don't have any of the writing, but we do have the hinge. A bit of a matte finish, but not quite as matte as some of the other hinges I've seen. But we do also have the button up on the back. And then of course, as we saw, the AirPods. So I've actually got out a set of scales so we can actually measure the weight of these AirPods. So I'll make sure it's 0, put them on, and 45 grams, 46 grams is what we're reading. So that is the same weight as the actual AirPods. So that's very cool. Good to see that these fake AirPods do have that weight, and you can definitely tell by holding them that they do have a similar weight to the real AirPods. Really though, that's just about it for the actual physical aspects of these fake AirPods. Nothing too crazy, obviously. We have seen quite a few fakes already, but now is probably a good time to actually connect these up and see how they sound. All right, so these should have the pop-up display. So hopefully if we open them up, we should see, there we go. Connect them in, hold the button on the back. There we go. So all connected in, you can see it looks like we do want to charge up the case a bit, but that's very cool. Unfortunately though, these i1000 do not support actually renaming the AirPods, but if you just look in the settings, I do have quite a lot, but you can see AirPods, so they're just going to be called AirPods. And you can't change that unfortunately, but you know, some fake AirPods have like i2000 as their name or something. This is just AirPods though, which is pretty good. How about we actually head over to Spotify though and start playing some music. So as you can see, I've got something playing now, and if you listen, I'll hold one up to the microphones. They do actually get quite loud, which is good. And just briefly listening to them, they do sound pretty good as well. Obviously, you know, nothing stunning, but if you're just listening to some music on the bus or train or whatever, these should do a pretty decent job. And as usual, they do have all the little gestures and ear detection things. So you can see if I put one in my ear and then take it out, the music will pause and obviously, if I put it back in, it'll start playing, which is very good to see. And you can see these i1000s do support gestures as well. So a double tap will actually play and pause the tracks, and a triple tap will actually skip tracks on the right earbud, and on the left it will rewind. And then of course you can long press to actually activate Siri. So overall, these i1000s, you know, do seem pretty cool. They can do all your usual AirPods things. They definitely have a bit of a more plasticky build than some of the other fake AirPods I've tested. You can just feel it, you know, the plastic, they just feel a bit thicker, definitely a bit cheaper feeling than say the i2000s, which we've tested on this channel, but overall it's not that big of a difference. Unfortunately, I actually cannot recommend you buy these i1000 TWS fake AirPods. Looking on GearBest's website, these do cost around 35 to 40 USD, which is quite expensive for a pair of fake AirPods, especially considering that for only 30 US dollars, you can actually pick up the i2000 TWS fake AirPods, which definitely are just a little bit better in a lot of different ways than these i1000 TWS fake AirPods. So not only are those i2000s cheaper, they are also better quality, I believe, than these i1000s. So I will have a link to these i1000s in the video description. Overall, they are still a solid pair of fake AirPods, but really the i2000s do just seem to be better than these in pretty much every way. So I don't really see any reason why you'd buy these i1000s, and I'll definitely link to these i2000s in the description as well, so you can check those out. If you did enjoy this video and found it useful though, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. And I'd love to hear some suggestions for future videos from you in the comments section. That just about wraps up this quick look at these i1000 TWS fake AirPods though. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.